In primetime news this evening, jungle justice. Residents kill man accused of murdering 8-year-old Shante Skyers. But police have 2 men in custody for the murder.
State Minister condemns violence against children.
And opposition spokesman appeals to government as he laments issues in the energy sector. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening we have the top business stories of the day. Herman Green has our preview.
Thanks, Andrea. Well, it's havoc. The private sector says the government's foreign exchange management system is doing more harm than good. I'll tell you what they're suggesting later in the business day.
And from Herman, we go to Jermaine at the sports desk with a look at what's happening there.
Well, thanks, Archie. And tell you what, a potential racket could be looming in tennis Jamaica as the incumbent has withdrawn from the presidential race. We'll have the details of this and more a bit
There's
later.
also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Yes, and this evening we're asking, what steps do you take to help protect children in your community?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet us at televisionjam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.